I'm exploring my new small town on the beach. And I was thinking about how we're all magicians. We just don't know it, we just don't realize it, and we must uncover it so we can do the things that we want to do, serve the collective. I left Tampa, I don't know how many days ago, 5-6 days ago, and I'm not sure when I need to go back. There's still no power, there's still flooding. Don't know the extent of damage in my house. And sometimes like that, when you just get evacuated and you go places. A Mexican gentleman did my hair and he lined up my... I've never lined up my face like this. I think he did a good job, I'm not sure. But it almost feels like I don't look like me. Anyway, who cares? I did a very bad job packing because I left last minute, so I just threw what I didn't want to lose forever. And that means nothing that I needed to be comfortable was prioritized. So I'm now just buying things all over again. And in a couple days I'm going to have to go to Orlando. And I'm hoping to get my stuff, go to Orlando. I don't want to buy what I must have for the retreat, because then I'll have too many things when I go back home after the retreat. So anyway, I'll plan some things out. Gas is still very rare. Only few gas stations have gas, but I don't know where they are, and there's big lines. So I'll have to figure out how to get in and get out. I might just go to Orlando in 2 days. Just go there early. Surprises happen, right? In life sometimes. Just everything goes upside down. Suddenly you just are in a new life overnight. New place, new people. Doing new things. But I'm a magician, so no matter what is happening, it's going to be good for me. Events like these really changes a person. And it's up to you if it's going to be positive, you come out stronger, or you start to feel sorry for yourself. Don't feel sorry for me. I don't want to feel sorry for me. I'm good. I'm in my good hands. I'm in my good hands. Imagine that. Wanted to give you guys an update. There's more to come.